so long, I thought I would go blind. But I don't believe it.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel, All Things Logic. I'm Jeremy Haas. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to take your session drummer track and convert it over to MIDI. And there's a lot of reasons why you might want to do this. Especially when you're creating your session drummer tracks and you get one you like, and then you go to create another one and you don't realize the last region is still lit up, and you go to change it and then you mess up the track you just spent forever making. And so this is just a good practice to do that as you're making tracks with session drummer, to just convert them over to MIDI. And then from there you can actually go and change up the tracks to fine tune them. Take out cymbals, take out drum hits and stuff, or make them. Some places you can make harder drum hits, or whatever you want to do with it. You can cut it up, have a lot of fun with it. A lot of fun. So without further ado, let's get started. Yeah. All right, guys. If you guys want to follow along, I'm gonna go ahead and open up Logic Pro here. All right, so. Song I've been working on, it's called All Bets Are Off, so I've got session drummer here, and I've got East Bay drum kit going on. Let me hit play real quick so you guys can hear, give you a little listen to what it sounds like. Anyways, you guys get the idea. Okay, so this is the session drummer right here. It's all the yellow line here. And if you don't know what session drummer is, or know how to use it, I have another video. It's how to use session drummer with Logic Pro. Please check it out on my All Things Logic channel. Okay, so anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and solo this bad boy right here. So it's just lit up here, and so yeah, you can see it's not completely finished yet. Like, I have these areas where I'm gonna that I couldn't find with session drummer, so I'm gonna go ahead and put in my own drums there too. But we'll do that after I convert it to MIDI. And okay, so now what I'm going to do is, it's really simple to do this actually. So, but what I'm going to do is, you can just convert it from here, right, how it is, straight over to MIDI, just this whole track. But first off, what I'm going to do, just so I can keep this actual session drummer, the yellow one here, and I'm going to make a second track, a second MIDI track. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to go over and we're going to pick MIDI software instrument over here, and this is all good. We're going to hit create. All right, so there's our MIDI track. Okay, now we got to change this to the drum kit we want. And I'm going to go over and right here, if you're stuck over here, just grab this little arrow, pull it, left click, hold it, pull it over. And we're going to go up to drum kit, and we're going to pick drum kit, and we're going to go down and pick East Bay. I really like this for the song, East Bay, a good drum kit right here. Okay, so we got our MIDI drum kit now, okay? So what I'm going to do now is, I'm going to I'm gonna go ahead and grab I'm gonna grab this right here. I'm gonna light all this up right here, and what I did is, I left clicked, held my mouse down, and pulled my mouse over, and then let go, and it lights it all up. Or you can just do that and it lights it all up. Click on the track itself. Okay, but so now I'm gonna hold command, and I'm gonna hit option, and hold option down, left click, and pull it down here. Okay, so there it is. Okay, so again, what I did is, I lit up this track right here, and I held down option and left clicked my mouse and pulled it down. Whatever track audio, as you can see, the session drummer MIDI, whatever, it will copy the track to wherever you pull it to, whatever track you pull it to. So I just made a copy of it. Sick. Okay, but as you can see, it's still, now that I have this track, you can see it's still, we'll go down here, it's still the session drummer. It's not MIDI yet, even though it's on a MIDI track here. So what we're going to do now is, since this is all lit up again, remember to light it all up. And we're going to go over to, actually what I can do now is, since it's all lit up, I can left click right here on the track itself, on the regions, and I'm going to go down. Well, I've got it in my recents, but I believe you can go down here to find it first. Go to convert, and then go over here and go down and convert to MIDI region. Bam, there it is. You got MIDI, man. It's on and cracking now. That's sick. Okay, now I'm gonna hit play. and you're going to see it's converted to MIDI. It still sounds the same, exactly the same. Okay, so now this is what's really cool about is once you convert it to MIDI, now you can go and you can, whoops, you can there we go, piano roll. You can go in and go down here into your edit window here, you know, and you can go in and take out stuff and add pieces, you know. Let me link this, bam. Yeah, so now I can go in and add pieces, add stuff. Like I was saying, I want to, you know, add pieces here that the session drummer wouldn't do for the certain part of the song. Let me show you what I mean. It changes up here a little bit. And so I'm gonna go through here and just go, you know, put it wherever this is. Are we right here? Then I can go through and pick what I want and go and add in the drum pieces here if I want, you know. So it makes it really simple, and also you can go and take out stuff here and do whatever you need to do. Okay, so this is, and I'll have another video that's just showing you guys how to you know, edit your drums and add pieces down at this piano roll, because there's like, it's got all the cymbals, and it's got every single piece that you got up here, or even if you don't have it in there, it's got it here, and you can go and add and take out, and it's more advanced stuff. So I'll get to that eventually. So anyway, it's really helpful. Okay, and I have another video that's coming out very soon where I'll show you guys, actually, now that we have it to MIDI, how to go and actually change the drum kit itself to a multi-drum kit. And then from there, I'll show you guys how to actually go and you can go and turn up all the different drum heads themselves, all the pieces. You can turn them up, turn them down. Like you can, there's like each piece here actually has, each piece has, it's like the snare has a top mic and a bottom mic, and you can turn those up and down. It's got overhead mics that you don't know it because you don't have it's all on one track here. But when you change it to multi-channel track and then pull it all down, it has that. It has like the kick. It's got two different mics for the kick in, kick out. It's got sub hits. It's got grit. It's got distortion. It's got room. It's got reverb. It's got all that stuff, and that's all included in this. But then you can go and fine tune it yourself and really fine tune it and make it sound exactly how you want for your song, and real as hell, you know. Pretty sick. And yeah, so anyways, hope it was helpful, guys. I'm Jeremy Hawes. I'll see you guys on the flip side. Don't do anything I wouldn't do. That leaves it wide open. Yeah. See you guys. You're awesome.
Through our lives, stayed up so long I thought I would go blind. You don't believe a single word that I'm saying.